Hello friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Today our topic is on Hal Tejas fighter jet. Tejas is fitted with an active electronically scanned radar for critical operation capability. It can refuel in the air and be ready for war again. It can target enemy aircraft from a distance. Not only this, it also has the ability to dodge the enemy radar. At a time when there is a shortage of fighter jets in the Indian Air Force fleet, Tejas should be welcomed. The defense expert said Tejas made its first flight in January 2001. The aircraft was inducted into the squadron of the Indian Air Force in 2016. Hal Tejas is an Indian fighter jet, and although India is the owner of this jet, it was manufactured in 2001 by Hindustani Aeronautics Limited. Its price is $64 million. It is outfitted with one turbofan engine. It consumes 20,200 pound force of power to fly in air with a maximum speed of 1974 km per hour. Its travel range is 3,197 km.